5 best practices when specifying windows and doors. If you're designing a new construction, addition, or renovation project for an East Hampton, New York home, it's essential to follow these 5 best practices when specifying window and door products. Specify a design that's resilient to the East End or Long Island area. As we know, the local climate experiences all 4 seasons, so your windows and doors must be able to accommodate the harsh temperature changes, wind speeds, and heavy driving rain during various times of year. Take advantage of the recent innovations in glass technology. With these advancements, you can ensure your customers get improved energy efficiency through energy-efficient coatings, insulation, and glazing layers. We no longer have to blanketly default to triple-pane glass to increase energy ratings. Understanding your client's overall project and needs will ensure you don't go overboard with or underspecify the glazing type needed. Put emphasis on quality during product selection, not just brand names. Your chosen manufacturer should be well established with a history of delivering excellence, especially recently. The current market conditions have forced some big-name brands to change the way they previously did things, causing them to rely more on name recognition than making quality products. Evaluate the window and door systems you are entertaining. We highly suggest visiting a local showroom of a few different brands to get a full understanding of the look, feel, and operation of given products. This also provides the opportunity to evaluate the dealer's team that you will ultimately be buying from for professionalism, expertise, and ability to help. Specify products according to the local building codes and expected performance levels required for the job. You'll need to select products based on every condition they will face. Window and door performance grades, along with design pressure ratings, give a good picture of how well the products will perform over time, but you do need to evaluate that for your given region. When you need quality windows for your next East Hampton, New York project, turn to Rockman Windows Doors for the most experienced professional team in the business. Call us today at 914-909-9430 to schedule your consultation today.